biggest thing that makes this video so difficult is which truck. I guess actually first, Jake selected the 150, but Jesse and Alan actually sold the 150. So we got two great customers, two beautiful trucks. Y'all ready, boys? Yes, sir. Let's review. I swear, y'all, when you're riding in the Everest Edition truck, the altitude just gets to you, but everything's better elevated. We got two beautiful Everest Edition 2021 Akins Ford trucks. These are phenomenal. I'm so pumped about this. We got Brady filming for us today. Which one we gonna start with, Bray?
F150.
F150. So he's an F150 guy. So we're over here on F150. Jesse and Alan O'Malley sold this to a great guy named Paul down in the Statesboro, Savannah, South Georgia area. A great guy to deal with, and a phenomenal. When I saw this truck, he bought it on a Saturday. Actually, less than a week ago, we knocked this out, y'all. So we turned this thing around essentially in 5 business days. Iconic silver. I love this color. My Raptor is going to be this color. So this is very pleasing to me in that this color looks phenomenal, y'all. So we got a 2021 F150 Platinum, iconic silver, Everest Edition, featuring a 6-inch BDS coilover kit. Both of these trucks have coilover kits, and both these trucks have 22s and Toyo MTs. So we've got our true coilover kit. This is the premier lift kit for F150. You got a remote reservoir coilover and a coilover system there, which ride quality is at a premium on both of these trucks. We've got 35, 12.5, 22. You can't lose with 22s, y'all. Don't forget that. 35, 12.5, 22 Toyo Open Country MT, a true mud terrain tire. The customer actually wanted, that tire is so iconic. The customer actually wanted a chrome Fuel Maverick initially. They're on back order, but I said, hey, this Fuel Hammer is a new wheel that has exposed lugs, which the Fuel Maverick has a chrome lug cover. So I like this look. It looks more premium having the actual exposed lugs. A good deep lip. This is a 22 by 10, -18. So bro, let's show them our mild to wild scale. We are pretty aggressive, but we got a 6-inch lift, so we've got room to accommodate it. We're sticking out a good 3.5 to 4.5 inches, but it's very proportional. And I want to show you also in the fender well, with this setup, we did not have to cut the crash bars front or rear. So minimal trimming was required. So this is a great setup to fit a more aggressive stance. So on a mild to wild scale, this is definitely more aggressive. Now, I mean, this Platinum truck, you know, you don't have to do paint work on every truck, and this one is definitely one that it worked perfectly, not doing anything but the Everest Edition package, y'all. Brady, I want to show them a good shot from the front. Just look how beautiful that truck is. Just a so proportional stance. And then a good side shot right here too. This is the money shot. This is the money shot right there. Look at that, y'all. Wow, it's so bad. Boom! Yes. Man, he's gonna love this truck. I love this truck, y'all. A good glimpse at the interior. Powered deployable running boards. Beautiful platinum interior throughout. The nice big 12-inch touchscreen. Just a truck of all trucks from a build quality standpoint. Engine wise, everything's all there. The Power Boost engine, we reviewed this truck. Can we show them that gray truck there? That's gonna be a hit too. You're gonna love to see that one. You got BDS shocks, Fox shocks in the rear as well, the 2.0s, rear wheel well liners. The customer doesn't know about the rear wheel well liners, but I could not do this truck and not put wheel well liners in here. So we definitely hooked him up with some wheel well liners. Very useful weather guard, full-size toolbox. This toolbox is so great as far as being one that's just watertight and very protective and sturdy. A great toolbox. We did an Akins liner as well. A good look at the applique on the rear. Didn't have to do any paint work, and it really just does not need any, because just so clean and classy with the wheel choice being a chrome wheel, and then an applique just looking so great. So a phenomenal truck through and through. Now let's dive over to the Super Duty Everest Edition. Now we have Luis, a great guy, reached out to us, got maybe 6 months ago, said, Neil, we're gonna do probably 2 builds with you, and let's go and get the parts here. We'll find the truck. We finally found the truck for him. Parts are ready to roll, and this one is phenomenal. So we've got a 2021 carbonized gray F250 Lariat, Sport. So in the Lariat Sport, we did not do any paint work because, again, don't really need it. I mean, you can take it next level a little bit, but this one's really all there from the factory, y'all. So you got black accents throughout, black mirror caps, body color door handles. I love the already black emblem grille and headlights. That looks great too. But again, we're on a coilover kit. So this rendition is a 4-inch BDS coilover lift kit with remote reservoir as well. And also you've got rear radius arms in the back, which is just a high integrity option. Love that. And then also in the front, we've got a dual BDS steering stabilizer up front. So that's a great option for overall stability when you go in something so substantial. And so substantial, I mean mild to wild scale. We're definitely on the wild side with our big boy wheel and tire combo. So we've got 35, 13.5, 22 Toyo Open Country MT True Mud Terrain tire. This is a American Forged wheel that we got polished, and Eli Classic Powder Coat in Athens did a great job with us on powder coating these wheels. They turned out phenomenal. High-on Lumens did our center cap. So a great wheel and tire combo. That wheel is killer, y'all. I had this wheel for a lot vehicle build initially, and when I talked to Louise, what they were trying to build and envision, I said, this is the wheel for you. So I actually took it from a lot build to a customer build. I can't be happier with it. So let's give them a good side shot, Bray. So proportional and balance on 37s on a 4-inch kit. And then you don't have to go so tall either. You don't have to go 6 inches tall to run this wheel and tire setup. So this is a 22 by 12 wide with a 13.5 wide tire, but it still works with no issue. We did have to do a little bit more trimming on the inner fender well on this setup, but if you go 6 inches with this setup, it's just too much void in between the tire and the top of your fender. So I love a 4-inch with a aggressive big wheel and tire combo. So this thing is beautiful, y'all. Up front, I want to show you, we also trim the front valence. We love to do those, and aesthetically it makes the vehicle look so great. So let's show them a good front shot there, Bray, of how well this truck looks. And you can even see those steel stabilizers hanging out there too. And then look how wide that stance is. I mean, it's just a mean, substantial stance coming down the road. Looks so great. We still have to install the front shocks. It has Fox shocks front and rear, and do window tint too. So don't hammer me on that. We still got to do that. But both customers are coming tomorrow, which is Friday the 25th. And I just wanted to make sure we got these videos done today. So we're after hours, and Brady and I came to knock these videos out today. So I hope you're enjoying this, y'all. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy our videos. We much appreciate that. And most of our people that watch our videos do not subscribe to our channel. Most of our videos show up on people's recommended list. So if you are a subscriber, you can stay more in tune with all the videos that we've got coming out, because we got beautiful trucks coming from each direction on a daily regular, y'all. So stay tuned for more. Power deployable running boards. It comes with a nice set of black Lariat Sport running boards, but just told Luis, you got to do some power boards. It makes the truck look so much taller. And for himself and the missus, these boards drop down 3 inches lower than the factory board. And then on the inside, you've got a nice plush leather system set up. And also, I don't know if we can see it or not, Brady, but we have, listen to that power stroke purr, y'all. Back in the 6.4 and 6.0 days, it was a little bit louder, it was a lot louder, but this 6.7 power stroke just hums, but it's got so much power. You got almost 500 horsepower and over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. Incredible. So you can't see it because it's bright out here, but we have rock lights. I know Brady loves these rock lights. So we've got rock lights all the way around, just lighting up the night. Going to be a showstopper for Luis and his family. Let's come around back and wrap this up. So we got rear wheel well liners in the back. And Brady, let's just show them a good overall side shot here of our stance, or mild to wild scale. We're pretty aggressive. And then this rear emblem combo here, this is from the factory as well. So that's a cool thing to already get on the Lariat Sport. FX4 stickers, just a sharp truck, looking so good, so clean and mean. I love it.
Hey y'all, this is Brady. Thanks for watching today. I'm going with the F150. Let me know in the comments which one is y'all's favorite. See y'all.
Those look good.
You happy?
Yeah.
What a truck.
Somebody's telling me now that he wants to monochromatic.